Hey there, it's Nick from Ruly. In this video, I'll give an overview of trees in Ruly, how they work, what an equal or above and equal or below node means, and why this structure is so important for things like row security, rules, and access control. Trees let you define hierarchical data like locations, departments, or product categories, where each item can have a parent-child relationship. To create a tree table, make sure the tree toggle is on in the properties of the model. In this example, I've created a location tree table. The parent field was automatically added, but I could have created my own field pointing to the same table. Let's open the view. The tree toggle must also be on in the view properties to create a tree table. Each location is a record in the list. When I click on a record, we see that each record has a parent record linked to it. When I click on the Tree View button, here we see how the records relate to each other in a visual way. In this tree table, the top level is country. Below, provinces or states. And then cities under each province or state. Equal or above means all the nodes above the current node, including the current node. So for Ontario, it's Ontario and Canada. For Toronto, it's Toronto, Ontario, and Canada. Equal or below means all the child nodes and the current node. So if you select Canada, everything under it, all provinces and cities, are considered below that node. Similar, if you select Ontario and Ontario itself, the cities under Ontario will apply. Let's show how above and below filters can be used to filter a linked table for accounts. Here we are on the Accounts view. As you can see, the records in this view are linked to the location field from the Locations tree model. Let's filter this view to only show records from Toronto. Let's go to the properties of the view and scroll down to the Filters section. I'll add a filter for location is equal or below to Toronto. Here we see only account records that have the location equal or below to Toronto in Locations tree view. These filters are especially useful when setting up security, as they work with row security to control which data you can access based on your assigned location or organization. Depending on your role, you may have visibility into different levels of the hierarchy. For example, in an organization model, your position might be configured to see everything under the finance department, which is a branch within the organization tree. Thanks for watching.